Congratulations! You have your new LG OLED TV. So now what? You probably can't wait to get it out of the box, but let's play it safe. You'll want the help of an able-bodied friend as you unbox your OLED TV because it requires some special care. In general, if you need to move the TV outside the house or up and down stairs, we recommend doing so in its original box. To minimize its time out of the box and being handled, consider unboxing your OLED TV close to where you want to set it up, if possible. There are straps around the box that you can simply cut off and discard, or you might want to take the time to slide them off in one piece, just in case you ever need to secure the box again. Once you remove the straps, you and a friend simply lift the box straight up and off the TV. Remove the top styrofoam, lift the TV straight up and out, and stand it up on your tabletop. Your OLED TV is a sophisticated piece of precision hardware, so never flex or bend the frame. Don't apply any excessive force, and avoid any jolts or heavy vibrations. For specific suggestions how to safely handle your LG OLED TV, refer to page 14 of the owner's manual. The stand arrives already attached, so when you set down the TV, always stand it up. Never lay it down on either its back or its face. Mind the power cord around the back and the joystick on the front of the TV. We recommend hanging onto the box if you have the room for it. But first check for this box, which contains all of your TV's accessories. Some of the boxes are numbered, although some might be empty, so be sure to check them all. The exact contents will vary depending upon which model you purchased and where, but you should have the owner's manual, the power cord, the LG Magic Remote with batteries, 4 pairs of 3D glasses, a screen cleaning cloth, an AV cover for the rear panel inputs, a component video cable, a composite video cable, a tag-on near-field communication tag, a Smart TV quick setup guide, and the warranty. You'll also see this product registration card, which we encourage you to fill out and mail in to receive the best customer support experience. Or you can register your TV online at www.lgusa.com/register. Now you're unpacked and ready to check out our other videos that show you how to connect to the internet and discover what your LG OLED Smart TV with WebOS can do.